Namaskar, I am Shilpi Singh. Today we will discuss about the structured query language of a class 12th. Now, these topics will be covered. What is the SQL? How to create the table in MySQL? How to add the information of table? It means how to insert the data. Then select from where? It means how to retrieve the information from tables with the conditions, group by, having, and order by. Now, start. The first thing is, what is the SQL? SQL means structured query language. It is a standard language to access and store the data in a table. Okay, these are the structured. That's why it is called the structured query language. This SQL command is used to retrieve data, to store records and data in a database, update, delete, create new database, tables, views. It means totally we perform the operation on tables. The commands are used to store, retrieve, modify, and maintain the data. Okay, that is the need of SQL. Then we start how to create the tables. The first thing is that we have to create the database. The database is the collection of interrelated tables. It means first we have to create database, then we create the table. Okay, then how to create table? The syntax is given. The syntax is the first we have to write create table. It is a command. This one is a command that is used to create the table. Then table name. This one is the table name. Then within a small parenthesis write the column name, data type, size, and constraints if given. The constraints means it is a rules and regulation that is applied when we create the table. In the MySQL, there are different type of constraint like primary key, not null, unique, check. These are the constraints. Okay, it means we have bounded the particular column for a particular condition. Okay, if we write the roll number must be primary key, it means all the values of particular column must be unique and not null. Then for this command we need these things. The first we need the name of table, then name of fields. Fields means columns. In a MySQL it is called the attributes. Definition and constraints if there is any. Okay, if any given, then it is a constraints. Definition means what is the type of column and the size of column. Okay, then we create the table. Okay, just next one is after creating the table, how to insert the record. For example, this is table. Just first we create the table. The table name is given student. Then the attribute and column is this one. Admission number, name, class, section, and percentage. And the definition of column, these are the definition. It means the type of column and the size of column. It means how many bytes is required for a particular column. Then constraints, this rule, the admission number is a primary key. Admission number is a primary key and name is not null. Not null means this column will not accept null value. Must be contain at least one entry, contain one entry, but maybe a repeat. Name may be a repeat, but not accept null. Then how to create? For this, we are using the command. Command is create table. Table name is student. The first column is admission number. Then we write admission number. Type int 3 primary key. Then second column is name. Varchar 20 and constant is not null. The next is class int 2 because size is given to integer. Then section character only one character. Then percentage which is required. This is the create the table. Now check in the program. Now the password is root. Okay, it's a small. For create table, first we have to create the database. Right, create database with your enter. Next, use the database is changed. Now we create the table. Create table. Table name is student. Then write the all the columns information. The first one is admission. This is int. For example, 4. Then name varchar 20 class varchar 5 section character maybe write 1 or without size. By default it will take 1 character. Then percentage I take int this one and this. This is command to create the table. Now in our question the admission number is the primary key. Then we are write the constraint on right side and the name is the not null. Then this one. Then just enter now and query OK. It means it is created. If you want to check, then describe the student. This is the structure of table student. Okay, this one is clear. This is the first integer 3. It will accept null, no, because it is a primary key. Name, no, otherwise there is no constraint. Okay, the table is created. Okay, then this one is insert into. Now table is created. Now we have to enter the data in a table. Then we are using the command insert into. The insert into command is used to insert data or rows in a table. The one row will be entered at one time. The second is syntax. The second is the name of table. Then again keyword, that is the value. This is the keyword value. Then we have to give the values of all attributes. So for example, we write insert into, this is a command insert into the table name. The table name is student. This is the again keyword value. Then enter the value. This is one-to-one mapping. It means the first is roll number, admission number 101, then 101, name, class, section, and This is the section and percentage. Okay. The characters and date must be within a code, single quote or double quote. Okay. Then just we are enter the one record in MySQL. This one, the one record is we have write insert into, this is the command, table name is student, then again keyword values 101 comma Anju, this is the name, class 11 section A comma 60. Okay, this is the one-to-one mapping. Just enter, row is entered. Similar, we will enter more than one record. These all records we entered. The table is inserted, data is inserted into a table. Now we want to retrieve information from table. It means we want to display the data of a table. Then we are using the command, or this command is used, that is the select. The select command is used to retrieve the information from a table. Okay, then the select command, the next one is either star, asterisk or field list, the particular attribute that we want to display. If we write star, it means all the attributes, all the column will be displayed. Then again keyword, that is the from. This one is the table name, the name of table where we want to show the data. Then this is the condition. If there is a condition that is needed, which condition we are needed to retrieve the information, then we give the command. Now check all the conditions that is needed. Then this one, for display the information from a table, all the information if the given, display the details of a student, then we write select star from student. It will display complete entire table. If we want to display only the name of a student, then we write select name from a student. It will display only name. If we want to display name and class, then write select name from class from a student. It's clear? The select command is used to display the particular column or entire table. Then what about the where? The where is the clause we want to give the condition. For example, if we want to display the percentage of student whose admission number is 101. Okay, then select display the percentage. It means this is the percentage from table name. This is the student where the condition is admission number equals to 101. Okay, this is the 60. Okay, this one is 60. Then we are giving the where condition. Okay, because admission number is 101, then what is the percentage? This is the 60. This is where condition. Okay. Then to display the name of 11 class students, it means select name from student where class equals to 11th. Then we can perform the different type of operators. The first one is select. The first one is arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators take the two operands and perform the mathematical operation on them. These will be perform the operation on select command. These are the mathematic or arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator minus, plus, minus, into, and division. For example, there is the select name, comma, per plus 2 from student. It means now it will display the percentage after increased by 2. But actual data will not be affected from this one. Okay, just the data will be increased in select command. Okay, now check. Right, select name, comma, per plus 2 from student. Okay, this one, if I write, if we want to compare the data, then this one. Now just check, this is increased by 2. This is the original data. It means the percentage is increased by 2. There is a 60, this is a 62. There is 78, 80, 80, 82. There is 98, this is 100. So similar we can perform all the operations. If we want subtract, then I put per minus 2. The marks is deducted by 2. Similar into divide, these arithmetic operation may be performed on the attribute. Now this one is next operator is relational operators. It is similar to the any other languages operator. This is relational operators that are used to compare between two operands, and these operation perform on the where clause. It means we use these operator in where clause for comparing someone. For example, these are the relational operators: less than, greater than, less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, and not equals to. Okay, in the question, the display the student's name whose percentage is less than 70. It means per is less than 70, and it is applied with the where clause. Okay, this is the relational operators. Just check this one. Select, we have to display the name of a student whose marks is less than 70. Select name from student where per is less than 70. The 70 is not included. I think the only one, if we want to greater than 70, we have 3 students. We want to display the name of the student who is in class 11th. Only the name from a student where class equals to 11th. Then semicolon, semicolon is the terminator. These 3 students are in class 11th. Okay, the less than greater than, we want to display who is not in 11th, then less than greater than, this is not equals to the only one student Manju, it is in class 12th, it means it is not in class 11th. Okay, these are the relational operators. Next one is logical operators. These operators are used to combine the more than one condition. Then this is conditional operators, and, or, not. Okay, and, or, not. In and means the both the condition must be true, or either any one condition must be true, at least one condition. Not, it means it will revert true, then false. If false, then true. Okay, just check. Display 11th and 12th class student information. It means we want to display the information of 11th and 12th, who is studying in class 11th or 12th. Then we are using or. We are using here or. Either in class 11th or class 12th. Next is to display the student information who is class 11 B. It means the class is 11 and section is B. Okay, the section is B. Then it is compulsory. We have to display the students who is in class 11th B. Then we are using and. And means if the condition is that the both condition must be fulfilled, then we are using and. If the option either this one or this one, either in class 11th or 12th, then we are using or. The next, the display the name of students who are not in 11th. It means who are not in class 11th. Maybe a 10th, 12th, 6, 7, 8, but not in 11th. Then we are using the logical operator, that is not. Okay, that is not. We write select star from a student where not class equals to 10. Okay, it's clear. Let's check this one. We have to display the information who is class 11th A. Then we write, because we have to display the all information, then we have to start from student where class equals to 11th and section is section equals to A. Okay, so both students are in 11th A. If you want to display informations who is not in class 11th, then we write select staff from a student where not class equals to 11. It means that is not in class 11. It means Manju is class in 12th. Okay, these are the logical operators. Next, very important is the like operator, also known as a pattern matching, because this is used to search the particular pattern in a column with the help of wildcard characters. It means if you want to particular, if the given is a particular pattern, like the first name is start from A, end with B, something, The display the name of students who has only 4 characters in name. This type of pattern is given, then we are using the like operators. Okay, then we are using the like operators. Then there is given two special characters. The first one is percent and second one is underscore. The percent means 0 or more characters. For example, if given the first character must be start from A, then we have to write A. And after this, maybe a 0 and any. Then this one. If the given the second character is A, it means at least one character before A, that is we write underscore. Then second is A. Then not any condition is given, it means after A maybe more than one character, then we put percent this one. If given at least 3 characters, it means 1, 2, 3, then percent. Okay, it means it will display the name of the students whose contain 3 or more characters, but not 1 and 2. These are called like operator. Then what? How to use? Then display a name that starts from letter A. Means we have to display the name. Then it is a common. The condition is given. Then we are using where. The condition is given on name. Where name like this one. It means start from A. After this, there is no condition how many characters. Then we are putting the percent. In the second example, it will display a name whose name contains 4 characters. It means it is a condition has only the 4 characters. Then we are giving name like 4 times underscore. Okay, this is about like operator. Okay, let's check. This one is the base table. It will select the name from a student whose first name is start from character A. Then where name like A and percent semicolon. There are 2 students whose name start from A. Okay. Then next, if you want to display the name of the students whose name contains 5 characters, then select name from a student where name like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 times underscore. This one, there is only one student, that is Manju. Okay, this is about the like operators. The next one is in operator. The in operator, this is also known as a list operator. It means if the list is given, that there is more than one option for a particular attribute. For example, in this question, the name of a student who are in section A and B. It means the option is given either in A or B. Then we are using list. If they're given the display the name of employee or students who are live in metro cities. In the list is given Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. The 4 option is given. Then we are using in. Okay. If the list is given who is not present for particular. For example, we have to not display the students who are in section A, B and C. It means we have to not display the A, B, C sections students. Then we are using not in. Okay, in if want to display not in if we don't want to display. Just check. Select name from student where section in, then we give the list A, comma B. All the students in section A, B, that's why it will display the all information. If you don't want, then we write not in this one, empty, because all are from section either A or B. Okay, this is about the in operator or list operator. Next one is the between operator. The between operator is also known as a range operator. It means if the range is given, we have to compare the particular attribute is come in this range or not. For example, if we want to display the information of students whose percentage is between 60 and 80, then we are using between. If we want to display the information of employees whose age is greater than 60 but less than 80, is 40 and 60. If this type of range is given, then we are using the between operator, giving the between. The syntax, because in this the display the name of information whose percentage between 60 and 80, then we write select staff from student where pers. This is the column field between. This is the condition 60 and 80. Here the 60 and 80 both are included. The similar we can perform by the relational and logical operator. It means we can write where per greater than equals to 60 and per less than equals to 80. Both are same, either using between or using relational and logical operators. In the second example, we write to display the information whose percentage not between. It means the range is given, but we don't want the data in this range. Then we just put our logical operator, that is the not. We select staff from a student where per not between this range. Okay, this is about the between operator. Select star from a student where per between 60 and 80. Okay, the 60 and 80 both are included. If you want to display who's not in range, then we have to write where percentage not between 60 and this one. It means the only one student, that is Amit, whose marks percentage is greater than 80 and less than 60. Okay, this one is about this. Then next one is called the clause, which is order by clause. This clause is used to display the data in ascending and descending order of with the help of particular attribute. If you want to display all the information according to name, either ascending and descending, then we are using this clause. In this question, which is written display the name student details as per the order of name in ascending order. It means first we want to display all details. It means we write this one, select a star from a student, then their order is given. It means we are putting the clause order by according to which this is given name. Then we write order by name. The by default they is not ascending. By default the order by will be assigned the data in ascending order. Okay, if we want to display in descending order, then we use the keyword that is DESC. Okay, that is given here. Next example, this is student as per percentage in descending order. It means we write select star from student, order by percentage, and we write here this one. It means descending order, DESC. Okay, it means if we want to display data in sorted, then we are using order by. For example, select student, order by name. Okay, now just check this one and this one. Now data is displayed alphabetically. The first one is Anju, Manju, Neha, Amit. Then next Amit, Anju, Manju, and Neha. It means this is order by. Okay, if you want to descending order, then we write similar. Just write DESC. This is the okay. Now it is descending order in name. The first one is Neha, Manju, Anju, and Amit. Okay. The similar, if we want to perform operation on percentage, then we write similar, select from student, order by percentage means per according to the percentage. If we want to descending order, it means the first is topper, then next this one, then we write DESC. Okay, it means the highest marks is whose the Amit highest marks, then Neha, Manju, and last the marks is Anju. Okay, this. Thank you. Have a nice day.